Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the three unities: um, unity of time, unity of place, and unity of action, as we find them in The Merchant of Venice. The three unities of time, place, and action have been recommended by the ancient classical writers. A dramatist, in order to write a perfectly classical play, is expected to observe these unities. Classical dramatists meticulously observe these unities. The dramatists of Greece and Italy followed these unities both in letter and spirit. We know that Shakespeare and Ben Jonson were contemporaries. But Shakespeare is a romantic dramatist while Ben Jonson is a classical dramatist. Shakespeare never cared for the three unities, while Ben Jonson observed them in his plays. Although he did not attach much importance to them, in two of his plays, The Tempest and The Comedy of Errors, we find that Shakespeare followed the rules, but in rest of his plays he did not observe much of the unities. As you must have read, the unity of time comes first. It limits the time of the action of a play to a natural day of 24 hours. Actions and events of only 24 hours should be included in a play. A play should not cover events of months, years, and decades. Shakespeare has not observed the unity of time in The Merchant of Venice. The action of the play covers a period of more than 3 months. Antonio borrows 3,000 ducats for 3 months and signs the bond. 3 months pass and the bond is forfeited. Shakespeare has violated the first important unity of time. Next is the unity of place. Unity of place means that there is no shifting of scenes to distant places. It recommends that all the scenes should be laid at one and the same place. No scene should be shifted to a place which cannot be reached within a period of 24 hours. Shifting of scenes to distant places shatters the illusion of reality. In The Merchant of Venice, we find that the scenes are mainly laid at Venice and Belmont. These two places are only 20 miles away from each other. The only other place referred to in the play is Padua. Portia sends her servant to Padua to get notes and garments from Dr. Bellario. The distance involved cannot be long because within 24 hours Portia appears in the court of the Duke of Venice with those notes and garments. Shakespeare has observed the unity of place in the play The Merchant of Venice. Now the unity of action. It says that the action or the plot of the play should be a well-knit, harmonious whole. There should be no irrelevant plots, subplots, scenes, or characters. There should be one and only one main plot. It should serve as the backbone of the play. There should be no loose threads of plots and subplots. The play should have a single main action. It should give the unity an expression. Shakespeare has thrown this unity to the winds in The Merchant of Venice. There are as many as 4 plots and subplots in the play. Shakespeare has created unity out of diversity and harmony out of chaos. All the 4 plots are interrelated and interdependent. The trial scene, the bond story, the casket scene, then the ring episode. They are all linked, they form an organic whole. Shakespeare actually did not care for the classical unities of time, place, and action. In this play, he has thrown them to the winds. He has proved that he does not follow the rules, while the rules follow him. Uh, Actually, he violates all the unities but creates a perfect picture of beauty in the play. His magic touch turns everything into gold. The unities are perfect, although they aim to bind the play together. But when we read this play, when we go through The Merchant of Venice, we find that although he has not followed them specifically to the word, yet he has tried to bind the play together in all its scenes, in all its five acts. The four main characters, they play a very important role to bind the story together, and with their growth, we find that the play grows. And this growth of the play, we feel the growth in all the five acts. From the first to the fifth act, we find that Shakespeare has not only bound them together, but he has also tried to create uh, the main plot along with the four subplots. I hope you have understood. We'll meet tomorrow for the next question.